Good morning students, welcome back to my computer online class. So, we were discussing 6th chapter from your computer book, right? The chapter is Editing in MS Word 2010. So, today let's continue that chapter. So, all of you open your books, page number 54. See? Selecting text by using keyboard. How can we select text by using the keyboard? Place the cursor before the first letter of the sentence or word. Here a sentence and you have to place the cursor before the first letter of the sentence. Suppose this is the first letter, you have to place the cursor before this first letter, okay? Hold down the Shift key and press the right arrow key until desired portion of text is selected. You have to hold down the Shift key and press the right arrow key until desired portion of text is selected. Cut, copy and paste the text in a document. How can we copy and paste the text in a document? See, most often you require to write a word or sentence many times. So if we have to write a sentence or a word repeatedly, then what should we do? In MS Word, you can use the same sentence any number of times very easily without typing it again. So we can do that very easily by using the Microsoft Word. We can do that very quickly by using this Microsoft Word. You can even cut the words or sentence from one place and paste the same to another place. We can cut the words or sentence from one place and we can paste the same words or sentence to another place we want. We use the clipboard group in the home tab for copying or moving text from one location to another. We use the clipboard group. Okay? This is the clipboard group. We have to use this for copying or moving text from one location to another. Copy and paste text. In order to copy text, word or sentence in a document, copy and paste commands are used. So, to copy text and paste, the copy and paste commands are used. Here are following steps to copy the text. Step 1. Select the text you require to copy. So, we have to first select the text. So, first step 1, we have to select the text. Step 2, click the home tab. We have to click the home tab. Step 3, click copy from the clipboard group in the ribbon. We have to click copy from the clipboard group. Step 4, move the cursor to the place where you require to paste your text. You have to move the cursor by using the mouse to the place where we require to paste the text. Okay? Step 5, click paste from the clipboard group. So in the clipboard group, paste command is here. So we have to click that. Very simple. See, like this we can copy that, and after using paste command, the same sentence will appear in the screen. Okay? See this? Ctrl+C is the shortcut key used to copy text. So we can use Ctrl+C to copy text. This is the shortcut key. Ctrl+V is the shortcut key used to paste text. We can use, so after copy we have to paste that. So to paste the text we can use Ctrl+V to paste the copied text. Understand? Now see, cut and paste text. Cut the text means to move the text from one place to another. So if we don't want a text at the at one place, then we can cut that and we can place that to another place by using cut and paste commands. Okay, see, there are following steps to move the text. Step 1, select the text you require to move. So like copy and paste, we have to first select the text we have to move. Step 2, click the home tab. We should click the home tab. Step 3, click cut from clipboard group. So in the clipboard group, this scissor is available. This is the cut. So we can use this scissor to cut the text. Okay. Step 4, move the cursor to the place where you require to paste your text. We have to move the cursor to place where we require to place the text. Step 5, click paste from the clipboard group. So here in the clipboard group, paste is available. So we have to click the paste from this clipboard group. And after that, the text will be seen like this. See, Ctrl+X is the shortcut key used to cut text. We can use Ctrl+X to cut the text. This is the shortcut key to cut text. Understand? So students, it's your today's class. I hope you all understand these topics I have taught you today. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.